Hey guys, it's Series. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a day in my life. So today I have a duty. So I have been going to duty na since March 31. So I am just getting the hang of it before doing some videos. But right now, I think medyo magaan kasi PM kami right now. So, sa PM kasi sa section ko right now, onti lang yung ginagawa. Mostly logging and fixing the blocks, ganyan. So, yung mga Ayan, so inangat ko yung blinds ko kasi nababother ako kasi hindi ko na fully open yung door ko. But makikita nyo yung dumi ng room ko, so hindi na lang pala. So let's start first with my toner. So I have been sharing this one, guys, but I've been using this one since I received this. And my skin has a lesser breakout. Ayan. So, I only tap this one in the morning, tapos sa night, ako nag-use ng toner pad. So, I am currently on my third week of duty. It's fun kasi yung section namin, hindi pa siya yung warding talaga sa hospi. So, medyo magaan-gaan pa. But every AM sa section ka right now, it's a bit heavy kasi madaming ginagawa. But bearable naman compare sa first section ko, which is si Bakte. Pag AM doon, grabe pa yung ratatata talaga. No? Sobrang hindi mo maintindihan. Like, ang daming specimen, ang daming gagawin, ang daming plates, ang dami, basta super dami. Tapos, to the point na parang mapapansin mo yung time, sobrang bagal. Like, one time, first AM namin yon. Tapos, dalawa lang kami. Tapos, ang nangyari, super daming specimen. And all of a sudden, pagtingin namin sa time, so ito pa sa namin lahat, pagtingin namin sa time, 8 pa lang. So, Thursday pa lang kami nagpo-process until 8 hours kaming duty. So, 6 to 2 kami. So, 8 pa lang. So, we still have a lot of like hours na kaantayin. Pero ang dami pa yung specimen na dumadating. So, next is this one. I use this one from Fresh Skin Lab. This is their Jeju Aloe Eyes. This one has niacinamide. I think this is the one that helps with preventing for me to have a breakout every time na night shift ako. But, as you can see, guys, mayroon akong breakout here. Predict 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5. But, since my menstruation is about to come, yun yung pinaka-reason kung ba't ako may mens. Ay, may pimple. Ano ba yan? And then, I mix it with the rice serum from I'm From. Ayan. So, I just pump it on the side. And then, mix it later. So, ayun, yun lang naman yung mga naganap right now sa hospi. So, I'm just gonna finish my skincare and I'll get back to you guys kapag ayusin ko na yung bag ko. Kasi I'm gonna change my bag kasi natapunan ng pineapple juice yung bag ko. So, may pineapple ngayon yung bag ko. But, I'll update you guys later. Okay guys, ayos na. So this is the bag that I'm going to use. This is my mom's, pero ako nagagamit. So kasya naman, since kasayos niya yung bag na ginagamit ko ngayon. So yung bag na ginamit ko ng first 2 weeks ko, kasya lang siya dun sa cabinet na nilalagyan namin ng bag sa backpack. But ngayon kasi guys, medyo maliit yung locker, so kailangan maliit din yung bag. So yung bag na ginamit ko before is this one. This is from Goyard. Ayan. I actually have a video na nag-ano ako dito, parang pack with me or like ganon. Pero hindi ko siya pinost. So, I'm just gonna show you guys what's in my, what's in my duty bag. So, first is this one. It's peeping already, but this is my lab gown. Pero papalitan ko na to. So, this is very important kasi especially specimens yung hawak namin. So, if may spill, meron na kaming lab gown. Hindi na ako mag-worry sa uniform ko. Next is wallet. I always bring my wallet with me kahit sometimes walang cash. Ayun, cardless, ay cashless na kasi sometimes. So, ayun. Nagsisisi din ako ba't ako nagka-cashless. Kasi sometimes GCash lang yung ano nila, mode of payment. So, nauubos agad yung GCash ko. And then my ID, of course, very important yan. Pero may ID pa kaming isa, guys. Hindi ko pa nakukuha. Next is my glasses. So, I always bring my glasses with me. Yung lalagyan, Kuya Matt, hinarang ko. Ayan, kasi ang kapal nung lalagyan ko. So, it takes up much space sa bag. And then, my pencil case, I always bring this with me. Pero yung pens ko, hindi ko na nababalik dito after duty kasi pagod and natataranta na ako kasi nga ang dami namin kapalitan na sa locker. Tapos, may pack of gloves and head cap. This one is from Dazzle Me, yung bag. Ayan, I actually got this one as a PR. Hoy, nasasabi ko na siya, nakakatawa. But everything is in here na kailangan ko. May slick stick, may Valda, may nameplate, may rosary, suklay, power bank, and my face mask na kailangan ko ng i-refill. So, thankfully, nag-ayos ako ng gamit. Wait, I'm gonna make ayos. Also, guys, I always bring my iPad with me just in case I have time to study. So, mag-aaral ako later since PM kami. Then, my pack of everything that I need personally. So, I have here my AirPods. This is my brother's as well, pero binigay na niya sa akin. My pack of SD cards for this camera that I'm currently using. My current favorite lippy, which is from Detail Cosmetics. This is their glass stain in the shade Bare Peach. I have two spoolies here. My Sanrio, my pabango. Ayan. It's very handy. My blush. Ang tawag dito? Cord. Tapos, my cetirizine. Even though, pwede kaming humingi yata ng cetirizine doon, I still bring my own kasi sometimes, baka, alam mo yun, mag-cause pa siya ng problem. I always bring, sige kuya, saglit lang. As I always bring with me my quota sheet. Tapos may quota din kami sa section namin right now. And then lastly is my journal and my notebook. So those are everything that I bring with me. Hey guys! So, update. It's currently, Alexa, what time is it? Alexa, what time is it? So, Alexa is currently not working. I don't know why. But, it's currently 11:39 and I'm gonna change into my uniform. So, I'm gonna show you guys my uniform. Let's remove this. Put it here. I think nakita nyo na to sa previous video ko. I posted a new video today. Although, my posting schedule is every Saturday and Sunday. Pero, ayun, nag-post ako ngayon kasi it's been a month since I last posted. So, this is my uniform. And then, this is the pants that I'm using. So, I'm gonna change in 3, 2, 1. Tada! So, this is my uniform. So, pants and top. So, yung top naman from school. Tapos, itong pinabili ko lang kila mommy. But now, I'm gonna do my makeup. So, I'm planning on doing another TikTok video. Pero, hindi ko alam guys. I have not been posting sa TikTok lately. So, might as well use this opportunity to post sa TikTok. So, I think I'm gonna change my angle for this one, like orientation of the camera. And I'll update you guys later once I am halfway through the video. Okay, so I'll probably just do this. Okay, so this is my pabango. So, I think I'm gonna do video muna for my TikTok kasi ang tagal ko na rin hindi nagpo-post doon. So, I'll update you guys later once my makeup is all done.
Hatid ako ng daddy ko. Aking papa.
Mag-reseal kami right now. Ito yun. Tada! Dito.
Tama no, ito no.
Doon sa Overman. 4 sets po ba? Nasa
Hello.
syringe kaya?
Yung kay Sunga, ma'am. 1 container po.
Container.
Magpiprint kami ng blue.
Paano siya ma-address?
Pili ko yun.
Pero one. Meron, pwede naman na ito, yan. Ayan. Kailangan may ano. Ano sila? Ayun. I-antik mo lang yung dalawa.
Tapos sa backpack natin, napagpunta na.
Gagawa kami slides. Nakabasa na.
Ano? Tapos,
Wait mo muna. Para may Asian nito.
yun. May babaguhin ba dyan?
Okay.
Yun na yung ng papa.
Ha?
Bakit dalawa?
Cancel mo. Ba't dalawang MRC? Ay, napwede matang 8. Yan. Kasi nilagyan natin yung pato name.
So, dapat hindi na.
Ha? Dalawang MRC pa yung nasa slide. Okay. Okay lang daw. Print mo na yun. Amazeballs dito guys. Look. Okay, isa pa.
So, nga yun. Ba't ganyan? Tigas lang. Yun okay na.
Hello, mag-sismil na kami. Bye-bye. Ingat. What happened? Hi. Hi, Chala. Hi. Hi. Hi guys, so it's currently 11:33 and I'm about to sleep pero gusto ko lang gumawa ng short outro for this video. So let's do a short run through then of what had happened throughout my day. So I had 2 to 10 schedule kaya ganon ka light. Light pa yun sa lagay na yun because every morning kami nagpa-process sa histopath. So, I am with Ven, Faith, and Ara today. And it was fun. It was light and fun. Tapos, natapos na rin namin yung kota namin for staining and mounting, which is good kasi embedding and fishing. Tapos, cyto specimen na lang iisipan namin dalawa ni Faith. But other than that, yun lang. So, we did a lot of things. Nag-cyto kami na processing. Ayan, hinayaan kami ni Mom Rose. Tapos, nag-ano din kami, manual staining. Tapos, also yung automated. Tapos, nag-manual mounting din kami. Yun actually yung pinaka-need kong tapusin right now. Kasi yung mounting, pag madami kami, konti lang, like kinahati kasi namin yon. So, konti lang din yung nakukuha ko sa mounting. So, ang happy ko kasi madami kaming minount kanina. Like, pagdating namin, mayroon nang nakasalang sa H&E, like yung sa automated H&E staining namin. So, may dalawang rack yon na tig 20, if I'm not mistaken. So, natapos namin ni Faye. So, tig 10 kami doon. Hindi siya tig 10. Tig 20 actually yung lumalabas. Pero ang pinaka... tig 13 pala kami kasi 6 lang pala yung nandun sa second na rack. Tapos, ayun. And then, nag-ayos kami sa grossing area. Hindi ko na na-videoan yung part na yun kasi nga, sinisipan ako. Tapos, basta hindi ko maisip na mag-video kasi nga, sinisipan ako right now, guys. And hindi ako makahinga kanina. So, sabi ko, I can't. And also, ang dami namin inayos sa rack for embedding tomorrow. So, ayun, nalaloka ako. But, the total nun is 138. Wow! So, ubos ko na sila talaga bukas. But, yeah, that's basically what had happened today. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this mini vlog. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye-bye!